Hey, you on?
That's not a fish.
Hey, watch that. Watch that. Is it? Watch that. There we go. Yeah. Here we go, okay.
Oh yeah.
Fish?
Yep.
There you go.
What is your net? I'll get the net. I'll get the net. Oh yeah, baby. You big enough? What you got? Yeah, baby.
Cool, man. Yeah, salmon fishing is fun. I mean, I like seal. I like catching steelhead more than salmon.
More like. No, it's not. There's nothing better than chasing a salmon at 40 miles. Guys up there fucking Lake Ontario.
Woo!
That's the only thing. Yo, maybe I need the net. Oh! That's what we like to eat.
Update for the boys. Got one
for one keeper.
Okay, got a nice little short right there.
Short.
Yeah.
I missed one too.
Missed one.
We're getting on them today, boys.
Just drop, new spot. Let's get it, boys. There we go. Oh, it's a rock. That's a rock. There we go. There we go.
Can I get help from you too? Yeah, what do you need?
I got a picture of them.
Yeah, let me measure it first.
Cool.
You might make it.
You might make it.
Keeper.
Let's go.
Boy, man.
There we go. Cool. Thank you.
Squeeze.
Yeah. There we go. Ooh, ooh. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I felt him hit that. Yes, he is.
You can put him on the measuring board.
I've never taken a hook out before.
In my report, you know.
Nice little short, right?
Yeah.
For the release. Cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that's nice. Ooh.
There we go.
Moment of truth.
Let's see.
I don't want to hear any bad news. Wow. You own them. Let's go.
There we go. Ooh, there we go. There's a fish. There we go. Ooh, he feels decent. Oh shit, yeah. It's not that big.
Grab it, Nick, grab it. I'm going in.
Here we go, guys. Up right in the
I'm on
mouth.
the board. Let's
Not even close.
It's this long.
Is it really?
No.
I was going to say. Hell, you're fucking with me. I was going to say they're all fucking keepers today. There you go. There you go, King.
Go, Nick.
Oh my god, it's a baby whale. Oh my god, it's a baby whale.
It's a shark. Oh yeah, baby.
Sayonara. See you. John? There you go.
It's small until he pulls it up and it's a tuna. And you're using a pressure shark rod.
Sea bass! Yeah, butt flip that bitch.
No, you need some help there.
Nice black sea bass. Beautiful fish. Beautiful kid. Beautiful.
That's nice.
Didn't Nick move over so we can get fish? What was that, number like 5 today, brother?
Yep.
Short of the camera, let's see it right in our mouth.
Right in the mouth. Right in the mouth. Shout out Brendo Cochrane. Come on. Hey, get him, McKay. Oh yeah.
There you go, kid.
Oh yeah.
There you go, kid. Fucking shark rod in action.
What are they breaking your balls for?
They always do.
Okay.
I'm used to it.
Fucking shark rod.
Get your 9 pounds.
I know, I want to throw right in his face.
Don't throw it at him, he'll probably drop it.
I love McKay catches shorts.
Why? I never catch keepers. Have you caught a keeper?
Not in front of you guys now.
Oh, we've been on like 4 trips.
I honestly don't think he's ever caught like a keeper.
I posted one. What are you talking about? On the story. I went with my dad.
Yeah, we weren't there though.
When you were 7? No, I was not. I'm joking.
It was probably 17.5 inches. It had to be 18.
It was 20.
He just long armed it.
Alright, it was a night.
I'll be honest. There you go, McKay.
There we go, King.
That's better.
Shark attack. Shark week, baby.
Let's start Shark Week off with a bang. Someone lose a pinky finger right now. Quick though, don't like hanging.
Oh, man. Oh, I think he made it.
There we go, boys. 5 keepers, that's our best.
That's our best feature.
Usually we get like 2.
Are you surprised, bro? We're fucking Captain Ron's boat.
What a call.
Dad really put us on.
We're smoking.
This is the honestly, this is the best I've seen. Oh,
There we go. Oh, he's off.
That looks big.
That could have been bottom. There we go. Oh, it feels decent.
Just keep reeling. Stand up.
Oh, yeah. He feels decent. That's close. Should we get a net? Yeah?
I can net him.
Alright, just grab the weights, just watch the weights. You got it. Let's see.
Ooh, that's a nice picture. What? You gotta keep it?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Oh, alright.
Get him, brother. Get after him, brother.
Ooh, stingray out there.
Yeah.
What do you say? Come on.
You could, I'll take this. I'm gonna throw it down. Stop.
Cool, baby. Number 5. Day out with the boys. What up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video of the Underwater Hookers. Today was a banner day at Atlantic Highlands. We must run into like 15 or 16 fluke. Nick had 3 keepers. I had a keeper. McKay had one as well. It was absolutely awesome. Nothing crazy big. Biggest one on the boat was like 5 pounds. And we also added a sea rabbit into the mix, or sea bass, sorry. But it was great. We do this once or twice a year, so we're looking forward to the next time this happens again. But thank you guys for tuning in. Hookers out.